Hi guys! Today we're going to be making slime. And today she has a special guest. It's me. And right now we're at my house because we're going to be making slime.
So let's get started.
And before we get started, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a hand with a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that bell button and make sure you subscribe. So right now
we got three glitters. We have blue glitter, green, and red glitter.
And we have bowls right here.
Here's our glue. Here's our mixing spoons. And here's our contact station.
And our lotion to make it fluffy. So first, we're gonna
shaving cream.
No. Okay. It's okay, but we can still make very stretchy slime. So first, we're gonna make
So first, we're gonna put on the glue.
Sorry guys. So right now, first we're gonna put on the glue. Wait, we can't even see this in our bowl. Serious guys.
Alright.
Our slime's very cool.
Here you go.
Okay, can you pour it on? Guys, the camera keeps on falling.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. So now she's gonna pour my slime. Yep. We're gonna have like a big, really good slime. So I want more glue. Guys, if you notice why does Alana chew on her tongue when she's always doing stuff, guys, have you understand? Because she always has to stay focused when she always does that.
And we can get a little bit of water so it won't be too,
Sticky? Yes. But I want mine sticky. And guys, I want mine sticky. Hard. Okay guys, so we're gonna go. Here guys, you can come with us. Okay, come on. I am coming. Okay.
So now we're gonna get a cup.
Guys, you probably didn't see that because she got her case right here.
So now we're gonna get
Can you take your case off, please? Can you take your case off?
Sure.
How do you even take your case off? Take this off.
Wait, don't take it off yet. Take it off after the video. I'm gonna go put some water.
So right now we're putting water in the slime. So yeah, let's take this with you. Come on, let's go. But right now we're in the kitchen. In my kitchen, I mean. And there's Alana putting in the water.
Here's the water.
Get your slime. Okay, so my slime's right here.
My slime's right here.
Yeah, my slime's right here.
Okay. So first, you could.
And guys, make sure you go subscribe to her channel. But guys, I don't have a channel yet, but I'm gonna get one now.
You just need a little bit of water.
Yep, a little bit of water. Only a cup full. Oops, is that too much?
Nope.
Okay, now we're gonna mix. Yes, please. Can't we put her on fast mode? Make sure you stir your
I'm
slime
gonna add
in.
a little bit more glue to mine.
Yeah, because mine is not good. Please make sure
Just a little bit of glue.
And yeah,
That's good. That's good.
now I'm gonna put my glue in.
Ooh, okay.
Put my glue
Okay.
in. Okay.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit more
Water. Okay. Just a little bit. My
A
turn.
little bit more water. And we're gonna mix it in.
Okay, now we're gonna mix it in. Let's see, guys. Can you see? Okay. Guys, if we didn't put the water in, it would be like we can show you guys. But it's okay.
Okay. Mine is stirred in.
I still have this time. Really good.
I'm gonna try this enough, please.
Yeah. Because we need napkins. And guys, I don't really have a channel yet, but every time she sees me, we're gonna be doing a channel.
Here you go. So you can put your spoon down.
Yeah. Oh, look, guys. Look, guys. It's not really slime, but it's slime. It'll be making slime.
Okay, now it's time to add the glitter. I'm going to start off. I am going to start off.
I'm gonna start off with red. Here's
I'm
red.
going to start off with blue. Oh my
Did you sew them?
gosh.
Did you sew them?
Okay, so here's the blue. See that? Here. Here's the blue.
I'm just gonna lose all this like red right now.
And here's the red.
I'm gonna add a little bit of blue because I love blue.
I'm gonna add. Chris, you using all the red?
Yep.
Why?
There's only a little bit. At least like a little bit. Oh wait, you should
use all
the red because I love red and I love red and she loves red too. So wait guys, guess what kind of slime we're making? The 4th of July.
Gonna add a little bit of the
Green. So yeah, only a little bit. Here we go.
There you go. Gonna add a little bit more blue.
Yep, that's good. Okay.
Okay, now it's time to mix.
Now it's time to mix. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
No, that's so cool. Oh my God, don't worry.
This actually looks like the 4th of July.
Wait, yours went away. Mine is still on.
Because you have more red.
Oh look! Wait guys, doesn't this really look like cereal? If you can see. Well, you can't see. So I'm gonna spill my slime. Okay, almost done. Wait, you know what we're forgetting?
What?
Borax.
Oh, do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the slimes. Here is my blue one.
It's in the back.
And here's crystals. And doing a video.
Yeah.
Say hi to my channel.
Borax, Mom. Mom.
I love the green.
You don't have it though.
Huh? What you don't have?